Rolling.
Rolling, guys.
Rolling.
We're on both sides. See if they say, hold on a second.